I'm excited to introduce you to Seamless Plastering I Private Limited, a pioneering company at the intersection of construction and automation. With over a decade of experience in the ready-mix mortar industry, we've launched India's first end-to-end automated plastering system, combining a patented machine with our eco-friendly, high-performance mortar. Together, we call it the Vistar Plastering System. At its core, Vistar is designed to solve one of the construction industry's oldest problems, making wall finishing faster, safer, and more consistent, while using fewer resources. Despite all the advancements in construction, plastering is still stuck in the past. It's slow, highly manual, and depends heavily on scarce skilled labor. This leads to inconsistent surface finishes, excessive use of water and sand, long project timelines due to curing, unsafe conditions for workers, especially on high-rises, and rising costs, with labor rates increasing by 3.6% every year. Globally, 46% of construction SMEs say they're struggling to find plasterers. That's the highest shortage in years. Example: on a 20-story residential tower in Pune, traditional plastering took over 3 months. With Vistar, that could have been cut down by more than 80%. This is where seamless plastering comes in. With a patented mechanized plastering machine that works on internal walls, ceilings, and high-rise external surfaces without any scaffolding. The machine is paired with Vistar, our lightweight, crack-free, and waterless mortar. The result? A 15x speed increase, perfectly aligned and finished surfaces, 50% savings in water and raw materials, and no dependency on high-skilled labor. We are an early-stage startup revolutionizing plaster, finishing through automation, sustainable materials, and labor efficiency. Our working prototype, designed for walls, ceilings, and future high-rise facades without scaffolding, has been successfully demoed on site, proving performance and adaptability. We're now ready to scale, refine, and bring intelligent construction technology to market. Our solution is not just innovative, it's protected. We hold Indian and international patents. The machine is IoT-enabled for remote supervision. It allows aesthetic finishes and laser-guided alignment, and it's simple enough for even an unskilled worker to operate. For instance, a female laborer with no prior plastering experience was trained to operate Vistar within a day, improving her income by 40% while reducing fatigue. The business potential here is enormous and timely. Let's talk numbers. Globally, the pre-mixed cement and gypsum plaster market has exceeded a $19 billion market and is projected to increase in the CAGR of 6.2% by 2033. The spray plastering machine has already registered a market size of $2,510 million as of 2020 and is expected to increase to $4,515 million by 2030, registering at a compound annual growth rate of 6.1%. And this is not including the plaster finishing machine, therefore showing potential for huge global market opportunity. Labor shortage is at a peak, and green building is becoming the norm, not the exception. We're sitting on a first-mover opportunity with a patented system that addresses all of this. For instance, each machine we sell consumes 5 to 10 metric tons of our Vistar mortar per day, building a compounding materials revenue stream and drastically reducing costs for builders. Our business model is built on multiple high-growth channels: machine sales or leasing, one-time or subscription-based, mortar supply contracts, recurring revenue from Vistar, IoT monitoring subscriptions, premium remote supervision, training and consulting, upskilling laborers and builders. This creates a strong flywheel. Every machine we deploy boosts demand for our materials and services. What's more, we're already in talks with top cement brands like Ultratech and ACC for national distribution. The same technology is also ideal for markets like the UAE and Southeast Asia, where labor costs are even higher. In short, this is a category-defining opportunity in a multi-billion-dollar market, both in India and globally. Our go-to-market strategy is a B2B-powered B2C model. We're leveraging the nationwide distribution networks of cement giants like Ramco and JK Cement to reach thousands of dealers fast. Each dealer becomes a sales point for both machines and mortar. We're also investing in advanced manufacturing to scale production, expansion into Tier 2 and 3 cities, export channels to high-demand regions. Our long-term vision is to be the national leader in plaster automation and eventually a global construction robotics innovator. We want to build smarter cities, faster homes, and safer construction sites, all while empowering laborers, conserving resources, and delivering perfection. We are Seamless Plastering I Private Limited, and we're redefining how the world finishes its buildings faster, cleaner, and smarter.